Well guys, I wanted to make a New Year's video. We're still gonna do that. I wanted just to talk about this year in review as far as this YouTube channel goes. Currently, not so great. Rounding out 2018, got my buddy Eric with me, and we're stuck. 2019, sorry. Anyway, a little pissed off. Look at this. We're literally stuck in like 2 inches of snow in the middle of the road, mind you. Yeah, this doesn't work. Hey guys, what's going on? So I just wanted to make this little video to round out 2019, and ironically we are in the exact same position that we were in a year ago. Exactly a year ago at this time, we were also at my parents' house because there's a big snowstorm and I wanted to get to work burning rubber in a Prius. So I stuck these boards under there to try to get unstuck, and it almost worked. You can see this one here, it actually like ate away the board. Burning rubber in the Prius, you can see all that rubber stuck on the edge of the board. That's all tire. Ooh. Anyway, you guys, I just want to take a minute to say thank you before we hop into this video. This is just going to be a little review and tribute video from this last year on this channel. I couldn't thank you guys enough for subscribing. We started this channel a year ago. We had 62 subscribers. 62 when I started exactly a year ago. I made it my New Year's resolution to give this YouTube thing my best effort. I've always enjoyed making videos. I'm passionate about cars and tools and auto repair in the automotive field, and also the car enthusiast side of things. So I wanted to actually give this a serious try, and it's been exactly a year. We went from that 62 subscriber mark to 371 right now. This is slow, you guys. It takes work. I can't tell you how much I've learned in the last year, whether that be upgrading equipment, learning to use equipment, other software. There is just so much that you learn when you make these videos and do this that you would never expect. Things that don't go right, things don't always get filmed the right way. We had our ups and downs. We had a lot of really awesome opportunities, a couple incredible opportunities, and I can't thank you guys enough for providing some of those. We got to film the 2020 Supra, as you know, as well as getting a few interesting tools to review sent to us from different tool manufacturers. And we even got in contact with the CEO of one of those manufacturers, took our suggestions from our video and improved the tool and sent me a second product to try. So as you all know, once we get to that 500 subscriber mark, I have a really nice tool that I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. So help us get there, share the video, whatever you got to do. Once again, thank you, and I hope you all have a good year. So let's take a look back at the last year of YouTube for Shift Wrench Repeat.
There's something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. You don't need to tell me that you love me. I don't mind waiting for it to show. Something but you, baby, and I can't get enough. There's something that you give me, and I can't get enough. Ooh, yeah. Don't tell me I don't stand a chance. Ooh, yeah. For you, I'll be a different man. Ooh, yeah. This is where I'm meant to be. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So I wanna start an illusion with you. Any way you want it, any way you want it, yeah. Any way you want it, this is me. Any way you want it, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go. About you, tell me where you want it. Let's go for gold. Tell me where you wanna go. Love is strong. Love is strong. Tell me where you wanna go. We will make our own way. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go. About you, tell me where you want it. Let's go for gold. Tell me where you wanna go. Love is strong. Love is strong. Tell me where you wanna go. Love is strong. Love is strong.
So you guys, that is going to wrap up 2019, an incredible year for the channel, incredible learning experience. Once again, I can't thank you guys enough for supporting the channel and the growth that we have seen so far. To me, it's just crazy that in the course of a year, over 300 of you guys decided that you wanted to follow the content. I've made a few new friends. I've made acquaintances and friendships with people that I talk to on a regular basis now that a year ago I didn't even know they existed. Some of them aren't even from around here. So it's just cool to be able to look back and see some of those opportunities and some of the things that we were able to do. Once again, thank you so much. Coming up in 2020, you're going to see a lot of twin supercharged Fox body content. It's going to be slow, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to film, when I'm going to film, or how I'm going to do it, but that is going to be our primary content, at least for a while. So I thank you guys again. Hope you have a great start to your new year. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.